In this video, I will be showing you how to turn your ideas into a functional app using Base44. Let's get started. First, I click the Login with Google button to access my workspace and verify my account. Once logged in, I'm presented with a dashboard that asks, "What will you build next?" I'm going to type, "Create a task management app with login in dark mode," into the prompt bar and then click the Generate button. Now, the platform is building my idea from scratch. Base44 is an AI-powered app builder that simplifies software development by translating natural language descriptions into complete, usable applications. It automatically handles the user interface design, authentication protocols, and database logic, making the creation process seamless even for beginners. The generation is complete, and I can see the structure and features of my new app on the left panel. I'll click the Preview button to see the final result. The Tasker dashboard looks great, featuring a clean layout and the dark mode theme I requested. Now, I'll navigate to the Tasks section in the sidebar to test the functionality. I'll click the New Task button to bring up the modal and fill out the details. I'm typing Daily Checkups for the title, setting the priority to high, and then hitting Create. The new task is added to my list immediately. Finally, I'll return to the dashboard, where I can see the total task count has been updated to reflect the new entry. It's that simple to build a professional app with Base44. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.